We do have some rainfall coming, but first we'll be on the fog watch tonight. Visibility is fine right now, including here in the French Quarter looking out toward downtown. But with the higher humidity and the temperatures allowed to get near those dew points overnight, could see some patchy dense fog to begin the day tomorrow. 68 degrees right now, far enough away from the dew point. Humidity is at 73% that it's not going to be an issue for a little while longer. At most locations, the humidity is in that kind of 70 to 80% range. And so fog at the moment not going to be a problem. As we get closer to daybreak tomorrow, could be a little bit more of a concern. Temperatures at the moment in the mid upper 60s, and dew points are generally hanging upper 50s and low 60s. That's not a correct reading at 48 degree dew point and Mandeville, as most dew points are 10 plus degrees warmer than that or higher than that. And so with the higher humidity, fog is certainly a possibility tonight and really for the next few nights. And in fact, during the day tomorrow, that dew point, the humidity, will be on the rise. And during the day tomorrow, with dew points upper 60s and lower 70s, that is definitely a more humid, muggy feel. And so it's not going to be quite as nice as it was the last couple of days. We're also watching a disturbance that is developing out west. Big upper level trough is sending in that southwesterly flow our way. Embedded within that southwesterly flow, we get these upper disturbances, trying to predict exactly where those disturbances will move, when they will impact, and exactly what the impacts are is key to our forecast, because that is likely what will trigger most of our rain chances in the coming days. At the same time, this upper level low is developing a cold front. Right around the center of that low, severe weather is already breaking out across parts of the plains and moving into the Midwest. That will continue through the night tonight. That's where the main energy will be, with more storms becoming active even farther south. Now, as the front gets toward us in the coming days, it's going to slow down. Now, as that happens, we're going to see a little upper disturbance move our way. First one on Friday. That will likely bring us a better chance for some showers. Now, on Saturday, even as the front moves over us, a little complex of storms early in the morning, and then we kind of see a fairly quiet period Saturday. So Saturday parades, as of now, not looking bad at all. In fact, models keeping us mostly dry. We'll kind of fast forward here to our Euro. Again, Friday looking to be a fairly wet day at times, not all day, but mainly midday into the afternoon. So it looks like Friday morning and evening should be okay. Also, the Euro keeping us dry for the most part on Saturday. Then we get into some rainfall early on Sunday. Doesn't look like it lasts all day. Maybe by the late afternoon or even mid-afternoon, the rain starts to wrap up and the evening comes to a close as we get the rainfall around. And then we see a fairly quiet period going into maybe later Sunday night. So not an all-day rain Friday, not an all-day rain on Sunday. If we can time things out well, maybe we can get those parades without any real issues. Severe weather threat is greatest up to our north tonight. As that front continues to push south tomorrow, it starts to break out in Oklahoma, Arkansas. But thankfully, as the front moves farther south for us, it really isn't going to be much of a concern as far as severe weather goes. Certainly some downpours with some street flooding possible, mainly Friday and then again on Sunday. Saturday at the moment is looking to be fairly dry. Then a big drop in temperatures as we head into the start of next week.